Hello everybody, and a very warm welcome to my channel. It's Nikki here. This video was made for the third Saturday Art Hop, and this event is hosted by Martha, I Love to Paint, also known as Ayala Art, ably assisted by the lovely Mona Creates. All links to the other creators will be in the description box below this video, where you'll also find the comments for it as well. This video is in honour of National Moon Day, and I didn't actually know what National Moon Day was, my bad. But National Moon Day is on July the 20th every year, and it commemorates astronaut landing on the moon. So yeah, I mean, my bad. I watched the moon landing when I was a little girl, and yeah, in black and white, obviously, and I remember it as if it was yesterday, because my mum had to wake us up, my sister and brother, wake us up so that, well, we had to go to bed early for a start, then she could wake us up to actually watch the moon landing, and it was the reason why we got our very first television, was simply so that we could watch the moon landing. So a very iconic and memorable day for me and a lot of people like me, you know, of my age. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. This is a very, very simple little crescent moon with a little male and female figure on it, you know, underneath a little rainbow, and you know, it's the love you to the moon and back thing, and it's got a little ladder reaching up to the moon as well. Very simple, easy for anyone to do. It's in watercolours with a little bit of Posca pen and watercolour, and the usual Inktense pencils as well, and a little bit of black liner. Very simple, very easy, very quick. I've sped up the video. I wish I could actually paint in real life this fast, but I can't. And so I've sped it up, I'll put some music, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you all again very soon. Bye.